I've been investing $50 every week in the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 1.5 years. So far, I've achieved a 14.7% return rate. Check out this video for my weekly update. The S&P 500 surged 2.5% last week. If you are familiar with this channel, usually I call a big winning week like this a wow week.
Wow!
The primary catalyst for the rally was the recent Federal Reserve meeting. Fed Chair Jerome Powell affirmed the probability of halting rate hikes and the potential initiation of rate cuts by 2024. With inflation moderating and the signs of the economy possibly steering towards a soft landing, investors appear to have ample reasons to celebrate during this holiday season. We also benefit from this upsurge. I made a $50 purchase of VOO around 1 p.m. last Thursday. Our current holding now stands at 10.3 shares, valued at $44.71. This translates to a profit of $5.71, elevating our return rate to 14.7%. If you check out this chart, you'll see my entire investment journey. We celebrated 7 consecutive weeks of gains, and it seems this impressive streak isn't slowing down. What an incredible Christmas surprise. Let's see if we could make it all the way to the end of this year. That's all for this week. As always, successful investing only requires a little bit of consistency and patience. If I can do it, you can do it better. I'll catch you next week.